Hey there, today I'm going to show you how to create a custom page in your Moxi Present listing presentation. Now, Moxi Present already has a lot of great Coldwell Banker pages for you to use for a listing presentation. However, if you wanted to create something specific to you or your business, a custom page is the way to do it. So first, you'll want to start off in mycbdesk.com, then navigate to the MoxiWorks tile. Now, if you can't find it, you can always use the Find an App feature and type in Moxi, and it should pull up the tile for you. So first off, it's going to start me off in my account settings page, which is where it always starts off. And you'll want to click Present up at the top left. Now for this demo, I'm going to show you how to create a presentation as well. We're not going to go through all of it, but I just want to show you how to get there. So first I'm going to hit Create New on the top right. And I'm going to choose a seller's presentation. Now, this always defaults to brokerage templates, but if you click the drop-down, you'll find that Coldwell Banker templates have a lot more options. So I'm going to go with a 12-minute listing presentation, and I'm just going to call it a demo. Now, don't be worried if you don't see anything on here quite yet. It takes a couple of seconds to get going, and there the wheel is spinning. So I'm not going to go through this, but I'm going to skip straight to the end to show you all of the pages. Now, on the left-hand side, you can kind of see, it's kind of like your table of contents of pages. Now, let me switch to print view really quickly. There we go. Here at the top, you'll see this button for Add Page, and it'll give you two options. First being Add from Library. It'll show you all the pages that Coldwell Banker has for you to use in your presentation. There's more than just these 21 that's currently in here. Then the second option is to create new. This brings up two more options, which are Build Page and Upload PDF. Now, if you already have something created and it's in the PDF version, that's perfect. You can just upload it straight into your presentation. Or if you don't have it quite in PDF mode yet, you can build it directly in here. Now, there are some things that I like building in here specifically. So, and one of those is a Testimonials page. So I'm going to just switch this to print view. There we go. So maybe I want to do a Testimonials page here, and you can see there are a couple of options to choose from as far as layouts goes. You can either just do all text, or perhaps if you have some photos, you might want a grid style. So I'm going to try the grid style. Perfect. So at the top, you can see it'll ask you for text, images. If you have a banner image or a logo that's formatted kind of this ratio, it might be a good idea to put it in here. But if you don't, you can always just add in text. We'll just call this Testimonials. Don't forget that you can always format this too. So if you're wondering, it looks kind of small, that's because it is pretty small. So I'm going to make it larger, change the color to blue perhaps, and then let's see how that looks. That looks pretty good. All right, cool. So there's the testimonials. Maybe if I have a photo, so perhaps let me add in the testimonial first. So we'll say Victoria was amazing. And I'll say Rick and Cherry because I know I have their photo on file. I'm going to upload in a photo of Rick and Cherry. There we go. And add that to my presentation. So perhaps you got a great review from a client and you want to include their photo. This is one way you can do it. Of course, you don't have to add photos. Like I said, you can just do text if you choose to. And then let's do another one. Let's see what other photos I have in here. Let's do Bev. Oops, there we go. So I have Bev. She can say, Victoria was very helpful. And there we go. So here's my testimonials page. I'm going to click Save. I'm going to call it my testimonials and save again. Now I'm going to exit out of this pop-up box right here. Oops. There we go. And here we go. I have my testimonials page, testimonials featuring Rick and Cherry and Bev. Now, the nice thing about having it directly in this system is that these are editable. So perhaps if, I wanted to, I could click on this little edit button right here, this little pencil icon, and go back in and edit this page. I'm going to just copy that. So now, if maybe Bev wanted to switch her headshot, she's saying, hey, I got a new one. Let me send you this new one. So maybe I will click on the image, hit upload, and upload a new image of Bev, since I know she's trying to do a new headshot anyway. I don't actually have a new headshot for Bev, so I'm going to just select my headshot, right? We're going to pretend that it's Bev's new headshot. So I'm going to add that in. Great, I can update that headshot very easily. Hit save. Here we go, and there we are with the new headshot for Bev, and it's very easy to update, right? So the nice thing about it is testimonials are one of those things that you have to update periodically, and by building it directly into the system, you can just click on the page, hit edit, and do it right in here. If you were to have your testimonials on a Word document, you'd have to first edit the Word document, then you'd have to convert it into a PDF, and then upload it into this again. So having it here just saves you a couple of extra steps by just saving it directly into the presentation itself. But if you have any questions about custom pages or Moxi Present or any of the Moxi items really, please don't hesitate to reach out to your SSA or your field marketing specialist. We're happy to help. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed learning about how to add in a custom page for your listing presentation. Thank you so much. Have a good one.